So then what the heck got people spooked? Why did the market ultimately go down? What was behind it? Okay, I'm going to tell you. First of all, I think in a larger rubric, it was South Korea. Specifically, a coronavirus outbreak in a church group that results in 73 infections, with 2/3 of those coming from one super spreader. Now, maybe they're a close talker there, but this is pretty scary stuff. The outbreak in South Korea reminds me just how difficult it will be to keep the virus from spreading if it starts going beyond the 15 people that have it here. And don't forget, we also had the 2 deaths from that cruise ship that was quarantined so poorly by the Japanese at Yokohama. Oh, and it doesn't help that the United States might be facing a shortage of medicines that are made in Chinese factories. We've outsourced a huge amount of our drug manufacturing to China. Maybe that wasn't such a good idea. Did you know that Hubei, that province that's now totally cordoned off, it has 42 pharma contract manufacturing facilities? Ouch. I mean, thank you, Dan D'Amico, the former CEO of Nucor, for bringing this to my attention, of which I've now called a number of doctors to be sure that it's true, and it is. Plus, the air travel will be further crimped, which means more bad news for the hotels and the airlines. Thank you, as always, to CNBC's Phil LeBeau, who fills me in on these things. Here's the thing. It could have been a lot worse. We could have been down as much as we were earlier in the day. Plenty of stocks were down hard, including a wall of shame-worthy quarter from Viacom CBS that sent its stock plummeting 18%, and a profit warning from Norwegian Cruise Line Holdings that sent its stock down nearly 7%. Now, I understand, as you do, the weakness of Norwegian. They had needed to cancel cruises in Asia, and I would say the publicity from the epidemic is about as bad for the cruise industry as it gets. But Viacom CBS, I found that blow-up astounding. CEO Bob Bakish trumpeted that CBS-Viacom merger is a 2 + 2 = 5 situation, including, right here, our set, our show, right here, our set, our show, you, me. I now feel it's more like 2 + 2 = 3, which is why so many large investors just gave up on this thing. I think we might have to break out. I don't know if you remember. I think we may have to break out the mad money wall of shame again if things don't improve at that terrible, horrible, no good, very bad situation. It's been a learning experience for investors who want to chase deep value, including my charitable trust, unfortunately. You know what I'm going to do? I have to break out the Post-it, put Viacom C on my forehead to remind people how stupid I was to believe in this combination, even if it causes an outbreak of pimples. There were, however, some real winners. The biggest, Domino's Pizza, up more than 25% on a sharply better than expected quarter. We're going to be talking to Domino's later. How about Zillow? The now Spencer Rascoff-free company reported some numbers that weren't as bad as feared. Stock rallied 17%. Bottom line, breathers like this one can extend the life of a rally. But without good news on the virus, I'm pretty certain that we'll have more breathers down the pike. So be prepared.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.